Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your background on Metatrader. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your background on Metatrader, firstly go ahead and open your Metatrader application. The home page of Metatrader application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. Click on Settings option. Scroll all the way down and tap on Colors. On the next page, tap on Background option. Choose the color that you want to change and tap on it. After you're done choosing your color, click on Done. This is how you can change background on Metatrader quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.